I'm nothing like you, all my bitch.
What's up, guys? So, I haven't been filming. I've been wanting to film, but we're doing a video on my bike build. I'm doing a new build, so yeah, I already started. I stripped down everything. I didn't film it, but we got this sorted. We got all the parts off. I'm getting a bunch of new parts because I need to, like bearings. Got a Surron today, so that's coming soon. Bombers are gone, probably today too. Everything's in here right now, like spring and everything, brakes. My dual caliper mount's like fucked up, but we still gonna run it either way, so yeah. And then I got like more stuff in here and everything. Repainting my skid plate because it was painted black when I got it, and I was gonna powder coat it, but I don't know yet. Load of cuts, getting a bunch of decals. Got like all the small parts in here, Baja, Ashworks, and stuff. And then over here we got the rest of the frame. Didn't realize it was in the sun, but we got the main frame. Swing arm's kind of fucked up. It's like been fucked up. Bearings are fucked up, so I'm getting new bearings and stuff. I'm getting new bearings for everything. Like the bearings right here were fucked up. Bearings in there were like fucked up, so we're getting this all redone. I still have to sand down these. I'm not even finished sanding that, but yeah. And I don't know what to do yet. I might do a powder coat. It just will take me longer. And then, or I can just re-spray paint. Because that is a spray paint. This isn't a powder coat. Spray paint. And so I could respray paint, but I feel like it's the right way to go to powder coat because I don't have to worry about that. It's been my dream to get powder coat, so I might have to get that. A bunch more things in the way, like new bars, new foot lock pegs, because mine's just, I need a whole new foot lock because my thing's like messed up. I'm getting new bolts because the bolts are like messed up. Getting the new peg. We're getting a new riser because I hate my Warp 9 when it's polished. I'm getting a prickly one, getting a prickly Baja mount. And then, yeah. This motor has hella miles on it, so I'm getting a Surron, so, yeah. This for my battery cover is gone because I'm getting a, what is it called? I'm getting, like, a new one, so I'm getting a tri-plate, and it's coming with this and the latches, because I need new latches, because I only had one. And then I gave it to my cousin to 3D print it, but he couldn't, so I don't know. And then my carbon, my real carbon, fun parts, it's just really dirty, but it got like really scratched up, and I only had it since Christmas. All my snapped levers and stuff. And then the carbon belt got like rubbing against my frame. I think I'm just gonna polish it to make it look better, or I might buy a 20 mil because this is an 18 mil, but it doesn't really do anything. New headset spacers soon. Gonna put my front brake back on. And a front fender. It's just gonna look really good. You guys are gonna see the first results, but I like the bombers, but like they look really good, but I just want to run the front fender. I can't really run my front brake because it like rubs, so it kind of like messes up them. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that. Those are inside because we're getting this whole backyard redone, so I had to move out a bunch of things over there. And then guys right here, old ass chai, bro. Need a new battery soon, but yeah, I made it QS8. It sells great sales somehow. I don't know how, but I might wrap it just to make it look better and stuff, because it kind of doesn't look that good. So yeah, here's my wheels right now, just sitting inside here so they don't get ruined and stuff. But yeah, I'm just getting new bars because these are just messed up. Like, they're just so trashed. So I'm gonna finish polishing this with all the grit and everything, finishing it. Then I have to do my subframe, and then I'm doing the main frame last. Hopefully, I don't know, I might paint it tomorrow if I'm doing spray paint, but if I'm doing a powder coat, probably won't be able to ride for a bit. Alright, so it's actually been a minute. been like a couple hours since I took a long ass break, but I got that fully sanded, and then I got that fully sanded. Now, I didn't get the inside, but it's chill because it's the inside, and then if I get it powder coated, it's just gonna end up getting off. And then spray paint doesn't really matter. I still gotta do the main frame. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today though, because I'm low-key really tired. But I'm low-key also bored, so I might do it. I didn't get my Soshin yet. The kid said he can't come today, so I have to do it a different day. I was gonna polish this, but I need the polishing stuff. My dad's gonna go buy some more. Solution: paint the bike, rebuild it, buy other parts, and then yeah. So I'll get back to you guys when I'm done with the main frame. Main frame's done. It's been a couple hours. Got a lot done so far. Should be painting tomorrow, getting all the supplies for it and stuff. So I'll get back to you guys tomorrow. Yo, so it's the next day. The stock motor's gone. I traded it for an FX throttle. And before you say anything, the motor was like had like 8K miles on it. It was like, it was really bad. So I got a pretty good deal. Brand new FX. This thing is so mint. It's so mint. It's right here. I don't know if I can twist it. Let's see. But it's like really mint. I'm trading the FX throttle for some stock forks. I'm getting stock forks for Surron. I'm getting cake, whatever they're called. Yeah. I'm polishing the triple tree and getting EXT stickers and fork decals, and then bombers are getting traded for a black Soshin. And so I don't know when I'm getting the paint for the bike yet. I've kind of been waiting a while, and I gotta order it right now because I'm getting it online. And then yeah, I'm just getting a bunch of decals, rear fender decal, Moto Cuts decal, the fork decals. I think that's about it. And then new bars. I need a new one of these because I need the side ones. I don't have those. So I'm getting in the under tri plate. So I'm getting all that. And then I'm getting, I don't know what else I'm getting. Again, a bunch of new bearings because I need new bearings. Like, bearings are like, the bearings are like clapped out. So I gotta watch that. And then also getting new bearings up there, right here. These are like messed up too. And gonna put the rock light on. Everything's going on. Bike's gonna be mint, hopefully. And yeah, I sold my Talaria wheels for $200. So that's how I'm gonna be buying all like the stuff for it. I still have my Surron wheels. So yeah, hopefully this bike build will go good. Should be done at the end of the week. And yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Alright, so quick back flash. So basically, my friend was supposed to get, I was supposed to get the Soshin today, but he just got impounded, so he can't, and he's getting his bike out tomorrow though, and so I'm not gonna get the Soshin probably until tomorrow or the next day after. So either Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on what it is. And by that time, we should probably have the bike done painted maybe, and have the stock forks, and yeah, we're just gonna do polishing and stuff. And they just try to have this bike done by spring break, bro. So, yeah, because spring break is, I have this whole week left, and then I have next weekend and a week off, and then a weekend, and then I'm back to school. So, yeah. Alright, so it's a little late. It was raining, so I had to cover everything. But we got the stock forks, and I started polishing the triple tree a little bit. I don't know if you can see, but I started polishing it a little bit. Figure that it's actually going to take a while to do. But I have a week, so yeah. I'm just trying to get this build done before spring break, which is on Friday. And it is currently Tuesday tomorrow, so yeah. This is what we got done. And yeah, FX throttle is gone. And then now all we're waiting for is the suction. And that'll be coming soon. Try to get these fucking bearings out. But Surron bearings are a bitch. So I'm trying to get those out tomorrow maybe. And then, yeah, so I'll get to you guys tomorrow. So yeah. Alright, so it's been a day. And we got the stock forks. I don't know if I've told you. You got the stock forks. I think I did. But I've been trying to polish them. It's kind of hard, but I'm going to get them done. I'm literally going to be working all night on this bike, so I'm going to be filming. I'm selling this Warp 9 riser to my friend on Friday because I have a prickly one on the way. I have a prickly one and a prickly Baja mount on the way. That's coming Friday. And then I also got a new throttle that came in and some new cable management. And then I'm trying to get this ocean tomorrow or today. The kid's just like going on vacation and shit, and he's also trying to get his bike at an impound, so it's been like pretty difficult. And then some other things I ordered is new swing arm bearings, new pegs, and a chai underplate, and a new extender things from Chai. And then should be ordering new bars and a bunch of decals soon. But yeah. Alright, so it's been like 2 days. And we got the bike done painted. I kind of started putting it together, but not much. And holy cow. It looks so good. In the sun, it looks even better. But so far, this is what I've gotten done. And this has been my bike for now, since I need something to ride, bro. So I'm starting to put it together. And I'm trying to do as much as I can tonight. And then in early ass in the morning, I might go get this ocean. And then it'll be done by tomorrow. And I'll have to go get new bearings for the stock forks and my front fender. And then, yeah, the bike will be done. And I still have a lot more parts on the way. They just won't be here in time. So I'll get back to you guys in a bit and show you progress. But, yeah. All right, so sorry, guys. It's been like a couple of days, maybe like 4 days. It's been a while, but I've been riding with the bike because it's already been done. I've gotten all the parts for it. I've gotten everything. I already posted on my TikTok, so you guys should see that. We're about to show you the bike. It actually looks pretty good. I'm still getting a lot of parts, and there's still a lot to be done to it. But this is what it looks like so far.
You can just wear my clothes.
And so, yeah. So, the footage might be bad. I don't know why, but... So, yeah, this is what it looks like. Front fender. I always wanted to have a front fender. That's why I got stock forks. And the stock forks, I traded my bombers for the Socian. Socian's so nice. It's so smooth and everything. I love it. I got new grips finally. I got a prickly riser with the prickly Baja mount. I'm polishing this. I didn't polish it yet, but I just sanded it for now. I got titanium reservoir bolts. I got titanium pegs, chrome pegs. And I have a new chai underplate and extensions that come tomorrow, and new bars that come like Thursday, something like that. And I think the bike looks incredible. I mean, I like it. It turned out to be a good ass build. But yeah, this is probably gonna be the end of this video, but I'll keep you guys updated. Let me know what I should post, because I keep running out of ideas, but yeah. See ya.
Bitch, I'm messed up in the motherfucking daytime. Hella freaks in the party, good music, good clothing, and good Marley. You ain't really wanna start with me, push started, oh, I'm oh so godly. So valid, smoky, like, oh me, oh my, please say you're joking.